So, hi guys. So I thought I'd do a voiceover for this one, make it a little bit different, and yeah, just play around with it. So this day, me and Clea, who I actually met in this cafe, is Earth Tomb in PAI. We decided we'd go for a trek today. So this is just getting an early morning brunch. We had some oats and some bowls and some fruits and stuff like that. And in this Earth Tomb they actually grow their own herbs, and yeah, it's a really beautiful place, really nice and organic and good tasting. I actually had a sore tummy this day, so yeah, I thought I'd take it light. So we are starting the hike here. We love to take our shoes off and just get absolutely stuck in. It's great to just take a hike and connect with nature and just enjoy it with people that you've never really had the chance to experience this place called Earth with.
She used to do that all the time, and it's crazy how much you are connected.
So this hike that we decided to take was called Mayang. It took us about 5-6 hours in total. It's like 2-3 hours hike there, and then yeah, the same hike back. The hike itself is pretty amazing. It's like the first hike that I ever done, really. I think Clea, she's like a pro hiker. She definitely made my experience all the more amazing for my first hike. But they're honestly, like, the trees, being able just to walk barefoot in Thailand, in nature, just connecting to the world, really doing some earthing. It's honestly so beautiful. There's little branches of trees that are twining and winding and swirling. A lot of the trek is through water, so I'd recommend not wearing sneakers or trainers. I definitely loved my Tether walking sandals. Clea just took her sandals right off and was stuck in the whole time. But do beware, there is some little sharp bits while you're walking through the water.
Yeah.
You do have to have a sneaky bit of balance. There is lots of log crossings, and wow, it was honestly so beautiful. I definitely
real deep here.
recommend everyone to get involved.
I know, careful.
The water wasn't too cold. It was actually just really refreshing, and all the leaves going down the stream, just feeling at one with nature, breathing in the fresh air, and just honestly, it's really cool just to be heading in a sense of direction, but you don't really know what's happening. Like, the path is just where people have walked, and there's no man-madeness. Just, yeah, really beautiful that one day someone walked this far and found this waterfall and shared it with the rest of the world to see. There's lots of like creatures and bugs along the way. You get to see lots of spider houses, and then you finally reach your beautiful waterfall where everyone just dumps the bags to the side and just gets stuck in this amazing waterfall. You can stay at the bottom, or you can actually climb up the waterfall, and there's different sections, different pool areas along the way. We took some snacks with us, so when we arrived at the waterfall we shared some seaweed crisps amongst people that had also ventured all the way there. The fresh water just bouncing in was just, oh. I feel like when I connect with water, it just cleanses me of everything, any worry, any stress, any illness. It just cleanses me and just brings me back to life.